Okay, sir. No problem. Yes, sir.
It's here, your phone. Phone, your phone.
Bella? Sorry there. Afuzia? Digo, how you use this one, where man? Oh, okay, full blood down. No, they will come now. They will follow us now. They will come first. Say hi.
Baby. You know, this shape is my cup. I don't think you want to do this.
Hi everyone. Hi everybody. Good morning everybody. Can you hear me?
How are you doing?
We are still recovering.
How are you shining?
We are shining in the Lord. You forgot baby?
Yes, mom. Who be Pelania?
Who be Pelania? Oh, no, forget. I've not seen it very well. Hey, you, everybody.
Can you just see me? I'm sorry. I left my bush to come here. I love to be in the bush, but I have to be in the bush.
Tony, that is
YouTube.
okay.
Is it recording? Okay, yes. So this is Bro Lewis. But I need So this is Sister Joyo. And actually this morning I posted about her today. I was so happy. I remember, in fact, there's a news that will remind you of somebody. And the news actually reminded me of Joy. Then this is Lewis.
Yeah. I was your GPS today.
How was your GPS?
I was your GPS today.
Okay, GPS.
Yeah,
there's no problem. Nice. Really for the great news, for what the Lord has done. It's so that even the Hebrew women, I don't know the difference. Because there's a difference between the Old Testament
and the New Testament.
But sometimes you see that what is happening in the Old Testament, there's even one before the Old Testament
that is happening in the New Testament. You have to explain that. you explain that.
So, thank you very much, and this is Molly. She's blushing, you can see. She's so strong and looking like somebody that did not even do anything.
Can their state mommy ever? Their state mommy
Are you sure something happened?
This comes to say, mommy, you pretend to. You are just pretending. We are practicing.
Okay, you are pretending.
What's our nurse name? Nurse, say hi. Yes, I'm seeing her.
Is that small milk?
Yes, mommy. Yes. And record.
Auntie Abigail. I should call you Sister Abigail. Now Sister Abigail. Say hi. Hi.
You've seen it. My first meal. I don't know how to try to shout. My first meal. Who was the baby?
Our concussion.
It tastes like punishment.
No, it's not. I said this milk.
Hey!
Should I add more?
No, I'm trying to try to do
Hey, okay.
Say hi to the camera. So this is our second meal of today. We're having pap.
ordinary pap.
Yes, ordinary pap.
Second meal after CS.
Yes.
We are improving gradually.
Of course we are.
baby. You're so cute. How am I just carrying you now? How am I just carrying you now? This chair is so comfortable. So, no. Okay, continue the agidin in here. I would eat two. And this plantain now, people want to tempt me to eat plantain. I don't understand. Nobody sent me to eat plantain now. No, we won't tempted to eat it. Are you done eating? Okay. Okay. Another one.